Hello and welcome to IMW Club. Today we will discuss on how to analyze a stock like Warren Buffett. In this video, we will take a closer look at how to analyze a stock like Warren Buffett, using the metrics and criteria that he has used to evaluate potential investments throughout his career. Number 1. Introduction to Fundamental Analysis. Before we dive into the specifics of how to analyze a stock like Warren Buffett, let's start with a brief introduction to fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating the intrinsic value of a stock by examining various financial and economic factors that affect the company's business operations. This includes metrics such as earnings per share, return on equity, debt-to-equity ratios, and more. Number 2. Understanding Warren Buffett's investment philosophy. Warren Buffett's investment philosophy is based on the concept of value investing. This means that he focuses on buying companies that are undervalued by the market, with strong fundamentals and attractive valuations. When analyzing a stock, he looks for companies with a competitive advantage, a strong management team, and a history of consistent earnings growth. Number 3. Key metrics to analyze a stock like Warren Buffett. Now that we have an understanding of Warren Buffett's investment philosophy, let's dive into the key metrics that he uses to analyze a potential investment. These metrics include 1. Earnings per share, EPS. This is the portion of a company's profit that is allocated to each outstanding share of common stock. Buffett looks for companies with a consistent history of growing earnings per share over time. 2. Return on equity, ROE. This measures how efficiently a company is using its shareholders' equity to generate profits. Buffett looks for companies with a high return on equity, indicating that they are generating significant profits from their investments. 3. Debt-to-equity ratio. This measures the amount of debt a company has relative to its equity. Buffett prefers companies with a low debt-to-equity ratio, indicating that they have a strong financial position and are less vulnerable to economic downturns. 4. Price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio. This is the ratio of a company's stock price to its earnings per share. Buffett looks for companies with a low PE ratio, indicating that they are undervalued by the market. In addition to these key metrics, there are other factors that Warren Buffett considers when analyzing a potential investment. Number 4. Competitive advantage. Buffett looks for companies with a strong competitive advantage, such as a unique product or service, that allows them to maintain a dominant market position. Number 5. Management team. Buffett places a high value on the quality of a company's management team, as strong management is crucial to a company's long-term success. Let's summarize. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe IMW Club. Also share with your family and friends, so we all can grow together. So here is summary of our today's value investing strategy. Analyzing a stock like Warren Buffett involves a deep understanding of the company's financial and economic fundamentals. Focus on key metrics: earnings per share, return on equity, debt-to-equity ratios, and other factors like competitive advantage, management team. Identify potential investments that are undervalued and have strong long-term growth potential. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights into how to analyze a stock like Warren Buffett. Thank you for your watch time. Happy investing!